President Mahama, only option be as was already. I forget about vote and act now. I will say Nima, Mamubi.
Alajo.
Yes.
Alajo, some part of Achimota, Abofun.
I will say ye omo na. Now you put down beer a Ramsar site. Waterways. You put that down in Nagu say estate crowd putting in Nagu.
You don't know these streets like we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Streeters Watching. I go by the name Zeonana Kweku Bless, and this is our editorial. Listo we have a
Yeah, very fine.
Okay, Enra in Shotoye. Most of the places got flooded. Na conversation, no, na oshe casualties are aba. I've seen some kids almost elusive on my lives, ne properties there. You can't, Charlie. The number of cars, the number of buildings are in so to me. I say Nima and Nima woman in Nima can honey dear be. But the president of the Republic of Ghana, decided say obey no angasa be video. Or no angasa warm message. Ebema victims are almost suffer this tragedy. Now, some people are also bringing statements from the past. This same president, the President John Dramani Mahama, in the past, any statements are was making and I bet 30 or so more having conversations about it because it looks like it is still the same thing repeating itself year in, year out. www.mybet.africa okohonuma ucha now dinkwandia ibetra in a more digital and professional way. And aqua blue mineral water insua onuma hopefully okay. You're always refreshed to go on to complete your task. Matrix Gym okohonuma anything that has to do with training, you are sorted out. Now, yeshe video the President of the Republic to sort of send a warm message to victims that have been affected by the flood.
Move some of the city out, that is the major government departments, and then also create a new center of growth so that our people will start building outside Accra in a new city instead of everybody looking for some space in Accra to build. So, but that's a long-term solution.
Welcome back, guys. Now, President Ede message when about out now. And Oka say they are going to engage now for engineers and then kofwa and what's some new mokasa and masa issue we no enter CBM and as enter NCBM no ombeshe na bibia akoso boko. Or the message number 2 na kofwa call past. They went way back 27th of May 2024. Sa flood and homes and semi the president having conversations no on no kase na on no opposition and no kase. The flood we experience here is the result of the government's failure to manage and prevent flood effectively. And I say on no bad power, he would make sure say all of this is sorted out. That backdated to 27th of May 2024. And now, no about power, no. How many years into his government? 2 years. And still counting. But we are still experiencing it. So people are of the view, say, it looks like it's a political talk rather than an action talk. Listen.
Yeah. The flood issue, look, a serious way. I think that at some point you be pim, and I think that we are getting to that stage. If we don't act now, the next 5, 6, 7 years or to 10 years, there will not be Accra. Yes, there will not be Accra.
Which is so YP out
because there are areas that are not flooded.
Yeah,
in 7 years.
Dan Suman is one. Chado. You could hardly anytime you so better then so better say Chado flooded. Other areas, Tema, Honum side, no, that
even Legon
higher so.
Yeah. I would say horse and
yeah. And I think some weeks back, Kumasi KNUST
Yes.
You had some flooding.
To the extent that even say crowd, a movie outside Accra.
Yeah.
Ko takwa. You say flats any other. Let me come what I say.
Yeah.
Yes. I think say President Mahama only option be as was already. I forget about vote and act now.
Okay.
The work there no. $1 billion going to mean solve the current flood situation. Because you need to have a settlement plan.
Yeah.
For Omwa. Yeah, because you cannot blame. So me municipal way. Now what we see we were
A dying
water way. And na me duty say was me there. Me na me ma permit baby akwa kusi dan. So permit what the maame na wan fa maame. Na who say me si dan no baby a enye baby a wo si dan. Then na wo ye. So both ways. Timamuni no.
Yeah.
Say be wedding kwasasem but wo na ya ma otumi nso say fashion run so no so wedding kwasasem. So there should be what a resettlement plan. It will say Nima Mamubi.
Alajo.
Yes.
Alajo, some part of Achimota, Abofu.
I was say ye omo ni na.
Wager, Malam,
Junction, Nima. And Rollins wanted to do that. It was Obama Dina Estate. A honum na komo relocate.
Yeah.
Nima for Satan Nasa said daho. Omama. They need to get rid of all of them. Honi na was so many enyis kaketwa. It me sure said that is why I'm on penny behind and I say attempting. That is what penny behind and I just attempting. Because I remember 2003 so World Bank for my $250 million. Say I'm fine then I'm fine survey a flat $250 million. And to me nyeshe. It cannot end to me nyeshe. Because the situation, you know, every day behind you compile it. A year flooded. That is why a baby ana flooded. Maybe 5 years ago. This time flooded. Because every day biano nyema in swoni toa ya humbede ebetre. E wasi ye to me budain. A danya ye bet me a danya umbe buoguno. Met ma catch us about more than 1,000 houses.
Then they should go ahead and do it.
If omo yo madwin say omo ba be omo be ye ba be ma engineers. I de okay said an engineer be engineer Kojobuafo. Eka say one of the buildings, popular buildings nibi.
I was it
didn't yes. But nipa ne powerful. Maybe nipa ne can.
No, but listen, say to me, amfa nipa ne powerful. Nipa ne wa be mo nipa ne ye sing. ANC in chain. Now, what is supposed to be done.
So now,
we would always come back and have this conversation every year.
What the other way say was setting my phone yeah. Enough is enough. We are my leaders, no. More quine.
Yeah, because recently, Akwaya obe yebubu ne nasorios and nedan obe came when we kun cows 33 ama the government is an man. Nonsense talk.
They be ono de yebu na japade enti kasa na o ka no e wo se eni kwan se ye den obi afa ho.
So we don't have to I was saying no matter what say even the pakoni sika na government na oteso no e de koye campaign and na say the pakono crab bia we see
why the money I was say my campaign ti no anyway enti e ho no say if say President Mahama doing something against your party member is very difficult. If President Mahama were to me tear somebody or say or finance or campaign there, then how much more makano?
Yeah.
You may say you making sure say you making sure say once and for all. You said by next year.
You to mean to us here.
Reduce. I was say reduce it drastically. Yes. And it be reduce it drastically. I was say odonis are winning you're turning into when you go to Dubai. Omo bibi sao.
Na say
omo way drainage system ni nya e baby and omo artificial sea. Omo artificial sea and omo the omo joining. Eti omo we da so.
Canoe ne sa
ne yacht den da so.
Wetimi akọ experience
mimi ko tia den e ko cruise. I have the videos here. In so no Oma yeden oma treaty ba wo se mu ye fi wo si na wo e na wo sansu na wo se ye fi e wo se ye we oma ye we bi a
from via
book for say you see say yeden almost sterilize
yeah
into fi no just to come into the lagoon se den oma ye no na ye oche yeden e da so ye betima ye wo hwe baby a saa kwan no eda koto eye kole lagoon ma odo na no afam alajo ho no ma ye we a ebetima ye form of even transport dem na what I say it present mama enye helicopter sem
abida
enye plane sem me okwa kohwe the situation is see 2016 June 10 na ekun amanfo no the same flood na
even this year June 3rd this year
the same thing because you see and yes June 3rd na abaye bibi boni o month of June in so talk
June July August
sense.
Yes
month of June so the eto to hear den so no beto during that period eti ye be stress enye plane fa some say okwa kohwe situation o hwe na ye hu
we know the
Flat
situation
house ye hu say so ye den enam ho enti e was say excavators we any kwan say ekoya regional minister we e was say o military regiment omo ye saa we no engineer regiment for no etisim omo engineers wo omo hwe Ghana Accra map no be a waterways be nsuo fa bia the next 2 weeks 3 weeks because a dying usia and eche just 30 minutes the next 1 month you be make sure say by July be end no now you put down bia e wo Ramsar site e wo waterways you put that down in gu say estate crowd buni nyina gu buni nyina because these people when omo waterlogged areas now do you know what they do omo feel it they fill the place
say afa insio ne ba baby a wo say fa no wa feel ho no mo nti afa chen na en wo say insio fa no na afa no mum na ho na fa na
na why then what to foundation no onim say insio fa onim pa eti bugu obi a oye we bi abugu na yes sagleme na ye be ye den ye be pe nkofo mo ye especially we say Nima you movie Nima hono ube movie omo de call na yape e bia prampram ba bi de amoma aye better because you see ade na ye no ebe ba be fa ye nyina o obi wo na ye ne se obi ba bia mete de obi wo ha o post o se wahun se dansoman insu ayiri dansoman da ena make say ye onkofo wo mo kasa o what say insu ayiri wo Islegonda sa sabe kasa na nyansa nimu no nkwa o when we say to no believe say emfa no ho
no baby o one day o see
but onim say obetima faka e de akọ circle say okwa koto ade by the time obedu Islegon ne nsuo yira fa one ka ne nyina akuno de onim no because June 3rd omo a sa disaster na to omo no obehwe no ne obia mpo nye de any dan wo is circle no omo ko so omo kwa koto ade they just one day
school and almost coffee relaxing so the next
so you never know the first say to me shut them the whole year the whole way you go out
now even a damn now ocean no in so na ba ho
and I make us say so ono na ye say baby o one flag and I make us say you go out and go and buy something obedu so ne be start say talk ese e de obeka o e de okawa you never know what I say. So nobody should say me baby I met the flooded. Nobody should say that. You're making sure say President Mahama, you have nothing to lose. This is the time I was say dead ghost syndrome a year juma.
You animo bia
obia odi kwasasem bia no. Why woman I saw shit. But the way I said
and I said the estates any apartment na doso acronym
yes this na make us say den o say den dan is shiashi den
shiashi
anya Shangri-La
hon
obo dan bi din obo popular dan bi din say sa e ho na dan ni si no ini kwan because no engineer o say sa dan ni kwan say si ho popular building pa.
Kufobane building Anna.
I'm not me ba.
What will be the name of that building, sir?
Villaggio. I said Villaggio. Villaggio shouldn't be where they wo. Obeda kubu Villaggio egu.
Okay, so let's pick it up into
what I say. Oh, your engineer. He said Villaggio baby esino. Anyway, because on none papa engineer, right? And in Nkrumah time, look at the way omo Tema. When you go to Tema, so you see the way it was almost that plan.
Well planned.
What I said.
Two towns are, and I say two places are well planned. Tema, Dansoman.
Yes,
but now the same Tema.
Anyway,
Dansoman no.
Oma ye nyama basa. Oma follow plan no. Oma ye nyama basa side. I say bibia. 80
Villaggio.
Yes, Villaggio. Or say if you no can say drainage bi or cry. Ni kwan say ye den. Ye plus ye cementing.
Yeah.
Or check the reason why ni kwan say ye den. Yes, but we only ye den. Ni ye cementing. Look at ye drainage system. Is it them a gutter? Ye ni say amount for 2 nra to go. Ye need dustbins ACC way. And you have to be come. But ni ye open
gutters.
Open gutters.
But listen, what you're doing, ye too are buying for say uncle hard on the citizens. No, ye ain't the citizens. So see, you see,
say it was senior. Uko Obama say UK, America, near the idea. We a citizen now. Obenam obi building mu now. Uko up and about to me free police demand. Yes, I was say yes, we the citizen police. When you are there, now who say obi 2 nra egu we ma confront the person. Nipa na eto ade and they are to for catch and matter fadia no. I was say ye guy ye den ye watch ye because aban to me hwe obia.
Yeah. And aban na say ya na ye aban.
Ye na ye aban no. Eti unwo say obi 2 nwura bi e de egu ba bi na ye we catch nipa ne say because at the end of the day ade no ye e affect mu nyina. But obi wo no a emfa no unwo say obi di obi ye den two transformer o two traffic light o hu pa o but on cache
say emfa me ho.
Emfa no ho.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. President, Mr. Yeah, what was share we investigate we share no. Yes, and why you be that? Asem we and yes and to that. What can one asem da? 2024. Obeka say e wa buy the work so and come solve issue no. Now, what survey we to what ko share nyama na wo ho ni na. Nya mesra ne say whatever needs to be done.
We need to be ruthless. Radical.
Be ruthless about it. At the end of the day, after 4 years, I'm not sure say you stand for us to vote for you again. So just you there, yes, sir. I just leave this legacy for us.
So President Mahama never survey.
Yeah, flooding issue. And that's objected so by 50%. Because at the rate at which air corner, and videos are surfacing of Inkofo Omewuno. Charlie, is becoming too much. I saw on an international platform. How? Our black stars are pushing, bringing good name to the country. Their attention is coming on the country. And whenever they go on the website, almost search about Ghana, and I see news about Ghana, no, and they go and meet something like this, bro. President, you best show. This one, dear, if it will be one of the things that people call you wicked, we the 33 million Ghanaians, so we support. Yeah, forget about everybody. You support it 100%. Whatever needs to be pulled down, Manembra form. Whatever way needs to be opened, sending so I will feel free. But yes, so please do this for us. What the galam said in the no send your work on this flooding issue for us. Yes, sir. Come into the comment section. Let us know what you think about this whole thing. Send a DBI keep it real because the street is always watching.
You don't know these streets like we do.
We